Why does the moon seem to change its shape every night? Well, the answer is the moon is a world in space, just as Earth is. Like Earth, it's always half illuminated by the sun. In other words, the round globe of the moon has a day side and a night side. From our earthly vantage point, as the moon orbits around Earth, we see varying fractions of its day and night sides. These are the changing phases of the moon. As the moon orbits Earth, it changes phase in an orderly way. The primary key to understanding moon phases is to think about whereabouts of the sun. After all, it's the sun that's illuminating and creating the day side of the moon. Moon phases depend on the sun. They depend on where the moon is with respect to the sun in space. Another key to understanding moon phases is to remember that, like the sun and all the planets and stars, the moon rises in the east and sets in the west each and every day. It has two. The rising and setting of all celestial objects is due to Earth's continuous spin beneath the sky. The most important phases of the moon are the new moon and the full moon. The new moon is when a new cycle starts every 29 days. In the new moon, the sun and the moon rise the same day at the same time. The full moon is when the sun, the moon, and the earth are directly aligned. The moon looks totally illuminated. There is a 12-hour difference between the sun and moon rises. The moon has some effects on Earth such as tides, which are periodical ascendant and descendant movement in the sea waters, generated by gravitational phenomena between the sun and the moon.